I am Rachel Romanoski. I am a global solution manager here at SAP, responsible for our strategy and go-to-market and roadmap for asset, service, and maintenance solutions. SAP provides a data-driven approach, being able to apply things like machine learning to help drive these maintenance strategies across your maintenance organization. And so being able to take work history, combine that with edge computing technologies, can really drive and move you from that reactive to more proactive and prescriptive maintenance procedures and strategies. An intelligent asset itself is essentially any equipment, device that has some sort of computing capability that you can pull and garner information from to make intelligent decisions on what to do next. It's really around costs associated to the maintenance organization. So whether that's around minimizing or mitigating unplanned downtime for assets, as well as the way that we approach overhead costs. But then ultimately, all of these cost savings is really going to drive a resilient supply chain to be able to make sure that you're delivering and producing to be able to meet customer satisfactions.